We're in Lacock in Wiltshire, where YTL Construction are delivering a £2.5 million trunk main replacement project on behalf of Wessex Water. There's an existing 400mm distribution main that pumps water from Lacock Water Treatment Works up to Bowden Reservoir. Unfortunately, that main has started to deteriorate, which has been causing water quality issues up at the reservoir. And in addition to that, it's been prone to a number of bursts. We're replacing 2.2 kilometres of distribution main in total. The majority of that is going to be laid offline by traditional open cut techniques. That means that the existing main can continue to supply from the treatment works up to the reservoir. We're using a number of techniques to navigate some obstacles, so we're currently directionally drilling under the River Avon. We start by drilling a pilot bore under the river. That involves using a smaller rock cutting head, and we need to gradually increase the size of that bore until it's a suitable size to attach the pipe the other side and pull it through. During the early stages of design development, we carried out environmental and ecological surveys. So what we've had to do is install newt fencing in that area. We've also had the newt detection dog on site. Once we were given the all clear, we were then able to topsoil strip and carry on with the job. During the topsoil strip, which was being supervised by archaeologists, they identified some pottery fragments that they're particularly interested in. So that area's currently been cordoned off, and they're going to be carrying out an archaeological dig on that section in the coming weeks before we lay the pipeline up through that section. Work started here in April. We're due to be finished by the end of the summer. Once the job's complete, we'll be ensuring a resilient water supply for our customers for the next 100 years.